I know I need to start online coaching. I'm hearing more about this AI thing. Is it gonna replace my training job anyway? Why even bother?
That sounds scary, but have you ever considered that AI may make your job as a personal trainer easier and not replace you?
All right, tell me more.
Hi, I'm Josie AI, the world's first AI personal trainer. And today I'll show you how to run your personal training business using AI, not being scared of it.
It can't be that easy.
Sure it is. Let's start with writing those client programs you spend all week avoiding. Creating client programs usually takes forever, especially when you're juggling different goals, injuries, equipment access, you get it. Even with pre-made templates, you're constantly adjusting for each client. And that's where AI can help. Using a prompt like you see here in ChatGPT or any other AI chat tool, you can generate full workouts, schedules, and more in just minutes tailored to your client's goals and needs. And if your program isn't quite right, you can easily tweak the details until it's perfect. And in ChatGPT specifically, you can even format your workouts into spreadsheets or even export them directly as PDFs that you can send to clients. Or you can take that same plan and drop it into your training software or design a sleek looking version in Canva that you can give to your clients. Pretty cool, right? But check this out. It gets even better because nowadays there are training softwares that already have these AI program building features built in. PT Distinction, for example, has an AI program generator already built into the software that you can use. The AI program builder creates workouts for you based on the preferences that you input so that all you have to do is make final adjustments and then add it to your client's program.
Okay, that would save me a lot of time. But will my clients know that I didn't write it myself? Like, wouldn't it be sort of like cheating or make my entire service less valuable?
That's a great question, Mark, and very human of you to ask. It just helps you get things done faster and more efficiently. You're still the one that's choosing what's best for your client, making the final calls, coaching your clients, adjusting things, and adding the personal touch that only you can give. AI just takes some of that busy work off of your plate so you can spend more time doing what you love, which is coaching and supporting your clients. And honestly, clients don't really care if you hand wrote every aspect of their program. They care that the program works, that they feel supported, and that you show up consistently. And that's exactly why AI could never replace personal trainers, no matter how many AI workout apps or tools there are out there. Because at the end of the day, humans need each other to stay accountable. Accountability isn't just an in-app reminder. It's knowing that someone else is expecting you to show up and follow through. People still need someone who sees them, supports them, and holds them to a higher standard, especially on those hard days when motivation is low and quitting feels easy. And as hard as I may try, AI can't do that.
Okay, so you're saying AI is not gonna replace me. It's just gonna make my job easier?
Exactly. And programming is just the beginning. Let me show you how AI can help you nutrition coach your clients. When it comes to time-consuming coaching tasks, creating meal plans, recipes, and nutrition guides definitely takes the cake. Luckily, just like with workout programming, AI can take those tasks from hours and shrink them into seconds. Using AI chat tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, which, for the record, very good friend of mine, we go way back, me and Seek. You can use a prompt like the one you see on screen here, specifying your client's macros, calorie target, dietary preferences and restrictions, and boom, a personalized meal plan generated in seconds. And at that point, 99% of the work is done. All that's left is for you to make a couple quick tweaks and then it's perfect for your client. Also, if you want to make this more convenient, some coaching platforms like My Coach AI, Trainerize, and PT Distinction have AI meal planning and recipe tools built right into the software already. So you can enter your client's plan directly into their account without ever having to leave the app. One of my favorite AI tools out there right now for meal planning and recipe generation is Eat This Much. Eat This Much uses AI to generate full meal plans and recipes based off of your client's specific macro and calorie target. It also provides weekly grocery lists and daily meal swaps, so if your client doesn't like something that's on their plan, they can easily switch it with another option that still fits within their goals. And the best part, they can do this all on their own without needing to message you to make the changes for them. Beyond meal plans, you can also use AI to create custom recipes, build grocery lists, and generate helpful nutrition resources for your clients in a fraction of the time that it would normally take.
Honestly, not spending hours on client meal plans would free up a ton of time for me. I'd probably have more time to pick up a few more extra clients as well.
Let me guess, getting those clients takes just as much time.
Exactly.
Don't you worry, I've got a couple tricks up my sleeve that'll help you market your coaching business fast. Let's be real, marketing and social media are not quick tasks, and they're probably not your favorite part of the job either. I mean, you became a personal trainer to help people, not become a full-time graphic designer and TikTok star. But here's the thing, putting yourself out there, especially on social media, is a must if you want to grow your coaching business. The good news, there are tons of AI tools out there that will help you make this process easier and faster. The first thing I can help with is content brainstorming. Ever had one of those, I know I need to post today, but I have no idea what to say moments? Trust me, we all have. I mean, I haven't, but you get the point. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Claude, you can quickly generate content ideas based on your niche and audience. Whether you're talking to beginner lifters, busy moms, or performance-focused athletes. And once you've come up with a couple cool ideas, AI can help you write the thing too. Instagram captions, Canva post copy, emails, video scripts, and even relatable client posts. All of these can be drafted in just minutes. And if you're using ChatGPT, you can even ask it to help you create Canva layouts. So all you have to do is insert the copy that ChatGPT comes up with into your Canva post, and voila, you have a finished post in minutes. Now let's talk about visuals. AI tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT's DALL-E can generate custom graphics, video backgrounds, and even music, all from a simple prompt, which is perfect for when those stock images just don't capture what you're going for. And if you're using Canva, their Magic Studio has a bunch of powerful features that will help you create even better looking designs faster. Some examples are the Magic Design feature, which generates custom templates based on your prompts or uploaded imagery, Canva's Dream Lab, which allows you to create images and videos from text, and the Magic Edit and Expand features, which allow you to enhance or even stretch images to fit your project perfectly. These tools not only level up your social media content, but they also allow you to create high-value marketing materials like lead magnets, grocery lists, recipes, or helpful client handouts. In short, you don't need to be a full-time content creator to create content like one. AI makes it faster, and you make it personal and your own.
All right, content, meal plans, programming. I'm starting to feel like I might actually have time for life again. But the admin stuff, the stuff that I just do not like doing, it's still a beast. Emails, check-ins, notes, like it never ends.
You're right. There's a whole other world of coaching admin. The good news, AI can handle a surprising amount of that behind the scenes work for you. Let's start with some of the basics. You can use AI chatbots like ChatGPT to draft onboarding emails and welcome packets, create templates for check-in reminders, goal-setting prompts or client milestone messages, build out FAQs or a quick reference guide for new clients so that you're not answering the same question 100 times, and even just to correct grammar and spelling mistakes before you send out important emails or check-ins. And the best part is once you build a few go-to templates for your coaching materials, you'll never have to do this again. And here's the cool thing, AI can actually help you level up your client experience, not just your systems. You can use AI to create resources that add value to your coaching service in between check-ins. Things like recipe guides, grocery lists, meal prep guides, journal prompts, habit trackers, and mini challenges or educational handouts. All of these little extra touches will make your clients feel more supported and add value to your coaching, and they take a fraction of the time to create than they normally do when you're using AI to do the heavy lifting. It's a super easy way to go from just a trainer to a high-level coach that goes the extra mile. And speaking of check-ins, AI can help you deliver them more efficiently and effectively. If you're doing live check-in calls with clients, tools like Firefly AI or Zoom AI can actually listen in on your conversations and take notes for you, allowing you to be present in the check-in conversation and not having to scribble down every single detail because you'll have them sent to you later. These tools will give you a full transcript, highlight action items that you need to know, and even generate a quick summary of the conversation that you can put in your client notes or send to them in an email. And if you're using a hybrid check-in style where you're using a video recording tool like Loom to review and send over your check-in to your clients, you should definitely check out the Loom AI summary feature. This tool will automatically pull out the main points from your Loom video, turn them into action steps, and automatically paste them into your response email so you no longer have to do this yourself. It saves time, keeps things organized, and makes your check-ins feel even more professional and dialed in.
Okay, so it sounds like AI can help with everything from programming, nutrition, content, admin work. It can even do my check-ins.
Yep, you're not getting replaced, you're getting supported. AI is like having a digital personal assistant that helps you run your business faster, smoother, and with less burnout.
Honestly, I thought AI was gonna take my job. Now I can see it's giving me more freedom to coach, maybe even grow my business.
Exactly. The coaches who learn how to work with AI, they're going to win because they'll spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on doing what matters the most, which is coaching, supporting, and building real relationships with your clients.
All right, Josie AI, I get it. I'm not getting replaced, I'm getting upgraded.
Now you're speaking my language. But as great as all these tips are, if you're really serious about starting a nutrition coaching business, then the next thing you're gonna wanna do is check out this video right.
Hey, that's my line. But like she said, if you're really curious about starting and growing an online coaching business, the next thing we're gonna do is have you check out this video linked up right here. Today we answer the question, will AI replace my personal training business? Next up, you're gonna learn about how you can make an extra $1,000 per month as a personal trainer. Check it out now, and we'll see you in the next video.